prediction, what you wanted to become in life? Like you wanted to enter into movie industry or else you wanted to be something else?
I definitely want to be an actress. I really like acting, and when I did PMJ and when I did Penny, the music video, it was very fun. I had a great time on set, but I'm still young and I'm still considering many different things. So
You will definitely one day, and God bless you. And
Thank
you're
you.
truly our inspiration in person.
Thank you so much.
Did your parents give any advice on anything? And if they have given so, how did it impact in your life?
Okay, so one thing my parents always told me was to go out of my comfort zone, and it was very scary at first, but then I did, and it really helped me a lot. Like, you don't see results immediately, but it really helps.
Thank you so much.
And I have a question for you. What is your inspiration to make content?
My inspiration is like I wanted to become a dancer because I love dancing, and I learned that from my mother because she is a normal like Bharatanatyam dancer. So from her, I got that inspiration, and I am teaching to my sister also.
Oh, so cute.
Thank you.
So nice.
గౌతమ్తో మీ రిలేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అండ్ మీరు కొట్టుకుంటారా ఎప్పుడైనా ఫైటింగ్?
Of course we fight. He's my brother. He's very annoying, but I love him a lot.
So, being an young influencer, how do you manage online safety and security issues?
My parents always handle that. They make sure everything I access is always safe. And it's also really important to not, like, I think this is for all young children, to never access anything that says adult content or never click on it.
if at all you're using mobile and you're on some social media and you're using it for some time, if you found something harassing or scary, something which is threatening you, what would be the step that you take first so that will help lot of kids who are sitting here? So if at all you're observing something, someone is threatening you or else using any harsh words which hurts you a lot, so at that point, how do you manage it? Do you go to mom, your dad? How do you inform them? How do you openly talk about the scenarios that you face, if at all, for example?
So first, of course, I would tell them, and then I would report it and block the person or comment.
If you could collaborate with anyone on social media project, who would it be and why?
So I've already collabed with one person, I think. Her name was Anastasia Russo, and it was a really fun time, and I would love to collaborate with many other young influencers. I think it would be such a fun time.
What's the one Gen Z lingo you use regularly?
There was these many edits about me and my brother saying that we mocked people, and that basically means that we look really good. So me and my brother, we made a post. The caption was called Megamax, and many people made edits about us on that. So yeah.
ఓకే, ఎప్పుడైనా గౌతమ్ మిమ్మల్ని ఏదైనా వర్క్ చేస్తే రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేశాడా, ఇది చేయొద్దు అని?
If it's unsafe, then yeah, chapperu.
అంటే బ్రదర్ ఎక్కువ రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేస్తారు కదా, గౌతమ్ కూడా అలానే ఉంటారా?
He's more of a kid than I am. I'm surprised he's older than me.
చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు ఉన్న మీకు బెస్ట్ స్వీట్ మెమొరీ ఏంటి?
Sweet memory is when we went to Italy recently, because it was just the four of us, me, my brother and my dad, and we had the best time.
So Sitara, do your brother rules you like no idi cheyali, like no idi cheyakudu?
No.
No.
He annoys me.
Do you ever felt నేను అన్నయ్య కన్నా పెద్దగా ఉంటే బాగుండు?
I think it's already happening, because I'm surprised, like I said, I'm surprised he's older than me, because
Okay.
he's such
Yeah,
a kid.
thank you.
Hi, Stara.
Hi.
So, apart from your mom and dad, who is your favorite actor?
I love Rashmika Mandana and Srilila.
What about actor?
Only my dad.
Oh, I love that answer.
Do you like putting on makeup, and if so, which brand would you prefer?
So I'm not allowed that much makeup. Like, even if I do wear makeup, the most I wear is lip gloss and blush. But me and my mom, I wear all my mom's makeup. So my mom mostly gets her makeup from Dior. I think, I really don't know. Whatever my mom uses, I use.
రీసెంట్గా ఒక వీడియో బాగా వైరల్ అయింది. ఒక ఈవెంట్కి వెళ్తున్నారు మీరు మీ డాడీతో, మీ అత్తగారు అనుకుంటా హెయిర్ ఇలా పట్టుకుంటారు మీ డాడీ చాలా అంటే సిగ్గుపడతారు. ఏం జరిగింది అక్కడ? కాన్వర్సేషన్ ఏమైంది చెప్పగలరా?
జుట్టు పట్టుకున్నారు. And then he said, "Don't touch my hair." So, yeah, he's very, he doesn't like people touching his hair. That's why I constantly try to touch his hair.